I can hear some birds. Yeah, so far this bridge has been 6 years. We built this one 6 years ago and seems still doing good.
This is what's making it narrow.
Ah.
Look.
Ah, yeah.
They'll be cut back. And the same here. It's getting smaller and smaller. Come on, Poogie.
Smaller and smaller. So we do this once a week or once a month.
All of this too.
Once a month. Yeah, need to be cut. You know, just do it late Sunday or late Saturday afternoon. So just walk far going to the palm tree with the dogs and then come back. So it's a kind of exercise. So because if you notice, I am already hung at breath fast while Terence is still good, you know. So so that's why we try to have an exercise every now and then. So, and its other thing is it also makes the dogs run faster and enjoyed walking with us. Oh, kahangat.
Well, it's a really beautiful day for a walk.
Yeah, it's
Look at that sky.
4:20. So this is the part here that when we do the bike or have in the car when it's muddy, it's really difficult because the type of clay, you know, the water from the mountain drop here and stagnant, plus the kind of soil it is.
When there's a lot of water, it sits in these ridges, but these are a danger anyway when you're riding the bike, because even when it's dry, if you get caught in one of these ruts, it can be quite exciting.